Say hi to my little strawberry. I'll show you how to make it in this video. I've got my double-sided paper here, red on one side and green on the other. I'll have red on the table face down. As I start folding my paper, I'll fold it in half. I'll fold it diagonally as well, and I'll go around my paper to make a square base. Here's my last diagonal fold, and then I'll use one of the sides to open up and flatten into shape to make that square base. And then flip over to do the same on the other side. Then I'll lift up one of the flaps. I'll open this up and flatten into shape. I'll fold this layer down and continue the same step on the other flaps. I'll flip over and continue on the other side. Now for the last one. For the next step, you'll need the red side only. I'll just turn these flaps over so that I can't see any more green. Then I'll use these edges and fold them in towards the middle. Here's the green tip, so I'll fold this down. Now I'll flip over and repeat these steps on the remaining sides. My paper's a bit tricky to grab sometimes. At this point, it's really easy to grab the sides like this to make it three-dimensional. And then you can flatten into shape so you can continue. Here goes the final tip. So at this point you've got a bit of a hole at the top. We're going to need that. Now I'll turn all the flaps over so that it's only the red side. On these flaps I'll be folding the corners in towards the middle like this. So I'll keep flipping the paper around to repeat these steps. Now for the last one. I've got a little flap that wants to come out there. I'll tuck that back in. So the next step is to open up all these flaps that have been formed. And this makes it easy for the next step. With the green tips, I'll be pulling these out very gently like so. This is done. The last thing to do is to blow through the hole to inflate the strawberry. Ta-da! I also help to shape it a little bit by pulling some of the paper out here and there. Happy folding and thanks for watching. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video or you want to learn more about origami, or even if you're looking for origami paper to add to your library at home, come check out my website. I've put it in the link in the description down below. I am now selling some of my products on Amazon. Yay! Anyway, happy folding and enjoy your origami. Bye.